don't show my bad tooth.
It's okay.
Hi, it's shopping haul time. You know our favorite thing to do is shop.
Well, we try to shop on a budget. So I took a little trip to the thrift store. I wanted to invite Mom, but yeah, she was busy.
Well, Mom has been working a lot and having issues at work, but I didn't get let go after all. I did want to tell you that. My employer really tried to let me go, but she couldn't find anybody else to work.
And the thing is, she's asking to work 4 days a week, and now she's working 6. How does this happen?
I can tell you how it happens. There's nobody who wants to work anymore.
So I was looking forward to having time with her to do more videos, and now she's running herself ragged, working 6 days versus 4 days.
Well, one good thing is I'm actually got Saturday off. I'm trying to look at it that way. Eventually they will get somebody hired.
Yeah, but the problem is, because that's your only day off, it's going to be really hard to get you away from Dad. So even though we have the same day off now, it's still not going to really do too much good, because he's going to be like, why do you keep going away from me? Leaving me alone.
Well, hopefully he'll have a good time with the ball game.
All right, well, let's see. Let's see what happens. All right, so I went shopping at the thrift store, like I said, and so the first item, if you want to pick this one up, is I got some plates. Got the tag still on it. And at this particular thrift store I go to, it has 3 different colors of sale items. So you've got your 25% off, your 50% off, and your 75% off. So the blue was 25% off. So that was 75 cents. I don't know, maybe that's
50 cents you got paid?
maybe 65. I don't know. 20% is not very much, or 25% is not very much. But anyway, still 75% would be good. And so I thought these would be good for an upcoming
4th of July.
4th of July table, yeah.
And then we can still use it for Memorial Day next year again.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we have Valentine's, and then Christmas.
So there's a lot of red we could use red for.
Yeah.
So that was a good buy. If they had more than 2, I would have gotten 4, but they only had 2.
But we only do tablescapes for 2.
And that's the good thing about the thrift store. Not all the time they have 4 of the same plates, but they usually have 2 of the same. So that really works in our favor, because most people are not going to buy just 2 if they have, usually people dine in 4s, yeah. So, and then I found this little plate here. This is from Shoreline Collection Home Studio. I have no idea where that's at, where this came from, but I thought it was really cute. And I'm planning on doing a coastal table, and I thought I could use this for like the platter for the desserts or something like that, because it's just one, so that's fine.
But it's still very pretty.
Yeah, it's decorative, and it's got the little shell and the starfish on each corner, so you can see that. And I love the color of it. It's really pretty.
And I don't know if you know this, but I have plenty of shells at my house.
Well, there you go.
We don't have to buy any. I already have them.
We'll be able to use that. And then, I'm always thinking ahead when I go, and I saw these little dessert plates, and they're a maple leaf, and so this will be good for the fall.
Mm-hmm.
And again, they only had 2, so that was perfect.
And that's what we do, tablescapes
and
for 2.
And it doesn't have anything on the back. It kind of looks like it's homemade, because look at how the backside is.
Yeah.
But I thought they were really cute. So again, I'll have those for the fall. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Okay. And then let me leave that for last. Then I found some chargers, and I like the color.
Why don't I just move them down?
I know. I'm like, that thing looks like it's going to fall. And then I got these, and this is like a bluish silver. Mm-hmm. So I could use this for coastal or even Christmas, because it's got the silver in it. Yeah. So I got 2 of these, and these were 99 cents, and this was also the green tag, so that was a 25%. No, this one was a 50% off. No, I'm sorry. The green was 75%. Gee. So it was blue, yellow, and green, so I keep that in my mind. And I don't think we said how much these were. These leaves were 99 cents, and they were orange, so they weren't on sale. I just got them for 99 cents. But I still thought they were pretty. So
Well,
I got 'em
it's something
anyways.
we're going to use in the fall.
Yeah, and I can't get everything on sale, but I try to look for those colors to get as much sale items as possible. So again, this was 75% off, so this would be 25 cents. So that's really good. So I got 2 of those. I love the color on these.
And
They had a couple more, but they had
dings and stuff.
dings in them, so I didn't get them. Because I was thinking, oh, maybe I can get 2 for you and 2 for me, but I didn't like the way they look, so.
Well, don't worry about it.
And then keeping with, thinking about fall, I found these.
And those are beautiful.
These are really nice. I like the color variation in them. And this was a yellow tag, so this would have been half off, so this was 50 cents. And it doesn't say where it's from. It just says it's made in China. But I do really like it. The only thing I noticed is like there's more of this color here and right here, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just really like it.
I love them. These are really, really nice. I like the colors. Something a little different.
Mm-hmm. And you can even if you didn't use it for your table setting, you can use it as a centerpiece. Put like 3 candles and put some acorns. I mean,
Yeah.
I got a lot of good ideas on how to use that. So there you
Okay.
go. That's 50 cents. That's not bad at all.
That's $1 for the 2 of them.
Mm-hmm. And now I found this set, and if you don't already know, I like to do a lot of wine tasting. Me and my husband like to go to wineries, and we love the charcuterie boards that we can get. And so when I saw these plates, I instantly thought, okay, my next time I'm gonna have like a little wine tasting. We can use these little plates, and they're little appetizer plates. And these ones came. Oop, I forgot the very bottom one. These came from Crate and Barrel. And, Crate and Barrel their stuff is expensive. So, again, these are like little appetizer plates. And each one of them has a different picture. And it's, Italian. This one says La Fresca de Olive. And, I don't know, I can't read the rest of it. It's all in Italian. And I guess that's the name of the company, because they all have that La Fresca de Olive. But they different. Like this one says Luca, Italy. I don't know what this one says. Let me see. Maybe that one doesn't say. Where does it say? Oh no, that one doesn't say. But this one says Luca, and this is a place that we went to when we went to Italy a couple years ago, and we really want to go back. So that's a beautiful place. So when I saw that, I was like, Luca. So that one. And then this one, I guess they don't say, but anyways, here's another one. And I think I got a total of 6 of them. And they all have like olive theme on them. So, and these were 45 cents each, and that's 50% off because it was a yellow tag. So what is that? Like
Quarter?
30 cents?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it'd be 30 cents each.
And they're all different, and we do tablescapes for 2, so we could easily do 3 different tablescapes.
Or if I wanted to have a little, wine get together, I have these little plates
Enough for 6.
for 6 people.
You could do it out by her pool.
Yeah, these are so cute.
Oops.
See, some of them do have different names. This one says Prodotto, Italy. So I don't know, but I just thought they were cute. And for 30 cents, you can't beat that. So what do you think, Mom?
I think you did pretty good, and I can't wait to start getting busy doing stuff out in the yard. It's still pretty cool here. I know it's hard to believe we live in Southern California, but it's June gloom for June, and when they say it, they mean it.
Mm-hmm.
I love it when they say we're having a heat wave, and I have to wear a sweater every day because it's so chilly. But it's great for planting. My garden's looking great.
That's good. That's good. So I have more in my little box here, but the thing is, we're getting close to our time, so I'm thinking maybe we should just do a part 2
That's right.
so that we don't go completely over on our time.
So we will put these up, and I'll put them up in the same day, so we'll have part 1 in the morning and part 2 in the evening.
And she'll take close-up pictures of all of these items so you can get a better look. And then you're going to have to come back either to...
Well, I took them pretty close to the screen. I think they'll look
Oh, okay, okay.
I think they're close
But
enough.
you'll have to come back to blossom your creativity, where I'm going to have, especially the wine and charcuterie. I'm gonna make a charcuterie board, and
maybe we can do that for July or something. Make it the challenge.
okay, yeah, a wine and charcuterie board.
Yeah, what date do you want to do it for?
I don't know. I don't have a calendar, but you can put it up. The information.
Okay.
It probably needs to be closer to end of July because I've got a lot of stuff going on right now.
Okay, I will look on my calendar when we do the second part. I will give you the date. That means you got to come back for the second part.
So we want you to put together a table, like if you were going to entertain for wine tasting with a
Party of 6.
well, it could be party of 4. It doesn't have to be 6.
Okay.
Maybe they only have 2 people coming to their party, but
Okay.
the theme is just that we're gonna do wine tasting. So you want to have wine glasses, a bottle of wine, your appetizer plates, and a charcuterie board.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds great to me.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you at the next video.